How's it going, guys? It's me, Chimichanga, and last night I tuned into Lance Campo's live stream, and if you guys were on there, I talked about how I took an old Meinl HCS 20-inch ride that cracked, and I cut it down to a 16-inch china, well, 16-inch cymbal, then I hammered it into an inverted china like the Nova china, how it comes down with the bell is right there, and drilled holes in it, 75 holes, all with a hand drill, and I was dead at the end of that. And that cymbal looks like this. Now that cymbal stayed like that until I decided, you know what, I want to add something to it. And I took some tips from R. David R., who added ketchup to his cymbal, but he put it on a bronze cymbal, a bronze B8 cymbal, and it darkened it, and it took the logo off, and the logo was still really shiny, and it looked really cool. And I added it to a brass cymbal, and that turned into look like this. You can see that. It has all these blues. Let's see if I can get the light right. Yeah, all these like spirally blue. I like that right there. That's really cool. And it has all this deep blue. It's like a baby blue and all these stark swirls. And I was shocked at that. That was about 12 hours of ketchup, and I put it into what I call the cymbal chamber. But yeah, and the bottom really shocked me. Everyone knows what brass cymbals look like. They're green. They don't look good, but this actually looks really cool. It darkened the green right around in here. Had a little bit of purple and blue, and the inside of the bell, I don't even know how I did it. I guess just like the fumes from the ketchup, just hitting it all night for 12 hours, and it turned into that, and I really like that. So let's give this guy a sound demo, because I know a lot of people last night were asking me about it, so let's just get ahead of that right now. So what are your guys' initial thoughts? Me? I like it. It's really good as actually like a have you seen the Meinl Byzance Jazz Ride? It actually is a pretty nice pretty like rock ride, because the bell is really, I can still smell the ketchup. I'm gonna wash it a little bit more. Yeah, it's brass. It's still too heavy. I'm gonna shave down a little bit more around the edges, maybe a little like on the back. I haven't done anything like that yet. But yeah, it's brass. You know, brass is not the best kind of material for cymbals. Everyone knows that. But yeah, you can polish it and make it look nice, but it's never going to look like a bronze cymbal. Right here is one of my crashes, and it is B20. And as you can see, it has that beautiful gold look and everything. It's just, you can't beat B20. That's the thing. It's durable, very musical. It shines up real nice. This is a Stag 17-inch DH EXO medium thin. Yeah, this one and this one are actually the same exact cymbals. They're both 17-inch medium thin DHXOs. This one is, I think, 100 grams heavier. And I initially ordered an 18-inch and a 17. And they sent me both of these 17s. I called the supplier and I was like, yeah, you guys sent me the wrong one. And they said, oh, well, give us your email and we will send you a return code, and you can put it on your box and you can send it back to us. And I waited probably a month and I never got one. And then that one I was going to send back because at the time I didn't like it. It didn't sound like a crash. I like that. I like a crash sound, not that. But after over time, it grew on me. It is really like a trashy sounding. It's because of the thinness of it. But I love these. If you haven't tried Stag cymbals, they're really good. They're not insanely popular, but they do hold up really good. I've had these for almost a year now and I've had no problems with them. I've taken these, played them at so many shows. I have yet to record with them, but they are beautiful cymbals. The bottom is completely finished, and the top has the raw bell. And they're perfect. But yeah, back to the guy. Not too bad. Not too bad if I say so. I got 2 more cymbals in, I call it the cymbal chamber. Getting patinaed on right now. I just checked them. It's been about an hour and a half. They haven't took on any patina yet. They're brass also. They're a stack that I have back there behind China. But this one I'm thinking about calling it, I don't know, Zodiac China or something mystical, Mystic China or something, because it just has that cool mystical look with all the blue stripes and the swirls. But yeah, I hope you guys really like this. I will make a video of the next patinaed cymbals. I want to thank Lance Campo for giving me, well, not really like a shout out, but he, last night I just live streamed, talked about he wanted to see this, and I hope he sees this, and I hope he enjoys it. And R. David R., thank you for the trick of the ketchup. The ketchup trick really works. So thanks to Lance Campo and R. David R. I'm Chimichanga Guy, and I'll see you guys next time.